A biotope is made up of two components, the biological community and the physical environment in which the biological community exists. These are classified using environmental parameters such as the sediments on the seafloor, the amount of energy in the systems, that might be waves or tides, and then also the amount of sunlight getting to the animals on the seabed. So in the intertidal zone, there's sunlight which reaches the seabed and you get green algae, and as you move deeper you get red and brown algae, and then those disappear where there's no sun reaching the seafloor. So that all of those different components make up a biotope. Within the REC project, we use the UNIS habitat classification scheme in order to classify our biotopes. This scheme was developed by the European Environment Agency and is a hierarchical classification scheme. The system starts off splitting between marine habitats and terrestrial habitats, and then the marine habitats are split further using physical environmental factors such as depth, sediment type, and the amount of light reaching the seafloor. Because we're quite limited in the data we can collect in the marine environment, we've started modelling marine biotopes. Because biotope classification schemes are hierarchical, this allows us to take modelled environmental data as the base of our model. So we use oceanographic model, which model the routes of waves and tides, and we combine these with sediment maps, which have been created using sample data, but give a continuous map of the sediments on the seafloor. We combine these layers all together to give a description of the physical biotopes. And once we've described the physical biotopes, we can then take our point data, which gives us information on the biological communities, and we can see where these occur most regularly, and we can then extrapolate that data to produce a combined biotope map of the seafloor.